Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa. Today we're going to be taking a look at 3 stocks to buy if there's a market pullback. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like and notification bell. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal experience of what I'm doing in my portfolios. So out of the 3 companies that we're going to take a look at, I invest into 2 of them. And the third I have exposure to through the ETF that I invest heavily into, which are VTI and VOO, which both give exposure to the Fortune 500 companies. Okay, 3 stocks to buy if there is a market pullback. Number 1 on the list is Apple. So Apple is a tech giant that we all know, and many of us are diehard fans and don't use any other products. There have been recent dips in the stock price, and for long-term investors like me, I just look at it as an opportunity because I am one of those people that has a strong brand loyalty, and I see the potential for Apple's growth. In addition to having so many iconic brands already, like the iPhone and the iPad and the MacBooks, Apple Music, they're still trying to venture out into different things like the VR headset. So the company has reported sales declines across its product lineup in the third quarter of 2023, yet it continues to outperform its peers amid poor market conditions. Whatever struggles Apple faces, I believe it's going to be around for a long time and there is still growth for the stock price. So as a long-term investor into Apple, I hope to see the stock price over $200 in the future. I'm currently working to get my portfolio to have 50 shares of Apple. All right, so number 2 on the list is Costco. So Costco is the stock that I do not invest into directly. I have exposure to it through my ETFs, as I said, but I have never purchased Costco stock. And I do invest heavily into ETFs. There are some individual stocks that I've chosen to have a higher exposure to, but I am selective about adding new things to my portfolio because right now I have over 20 holdings, and that is a good place for me personally. So it says here the company has proven itself to be one of the best growth stocks, and investors have taken notice as Costco stock is rarely trading at a bargain. Costco is a retail giant known for its membership-based warehouse clubs offering a wide range of products at discounted prices. People are always seeking the value and convenience that is offered by this type of company. So Costco's business model has positioned themselves for sustained growth. Number 3 on the list is Amazon. So another stock that I invest into, not as heavily as Apple, but I do invest into Amazon. And I shared recently the top 5 positions holding up my Webull portfolio, and both Apple and Amazon were in that top 5. So Amazon is another company that needs no introduction. It is one of the world's largest e-commerce and cloud computing companies. The stock price has historically shown strong growth, driven by the company's strong offerings and presence in multiple industries. The stock price is currently 28% down from its all-time high in July 2021, but it is steadily improving e-commerce business and expanding into AI, giving it promising long-term outlook. So as I said, I'm already investing into Apple and Amazon, but these are just 3 companies that I wanted to highlight and bring attention to so that you might keep an eye on in case you are not yet invested into them, and you can take advantage of the market pullback to start to build your position or add to it if you're already invested into them. So I will put the link to this article in the description. So let's just run down a few more advantages of investing into these stocks. Of course, the long-term potential of increased valuation of the stock in the future, the diversification of technology, retail, and e-commerce exposure that you would get by investing into these 3 stocks. But as I said, I do invest into my ETFs, so I'm getting diversification there also. These companies have all demonstrated market resilience over the years. They have adapted to change and continue to thrive. Both Apple and Costco also do pay a dividend, so a little bit more income to the investor. And all of these companies are leaders in innovation, which can contribute to growth in the future. So I found this article to be interesting and just wanted to highlight it, especially as I saw that 2 of the stocks that they were highlighting are ones that I currently hold and I will be continuing to build into. So, of course, investing does carry risk. Do your research before making any investment decision. Thanks for watching. Have a great week of investing. Okay, bye.